Hi Familia, and welcome back to our channel.
Hello.
We are in our car because we're on our way to go pick up a cake. Today, if you saw by the title, it is my in-laws anniversary. 42 years being married. What a blessing.
Older than I.
Older than I. Yeah, so we're gonna do what we do. Oh gosh. Okay, it passed by, sorry about that. We're gonna go and get them a cake. We do that every year, so at the end of it, if I can, I'll insert pictures of different years of their anniversary. We always celebrate it as a family. We always try to get them to celebrate it on their own, but they rather be with their grandkids and everyone, so that's extra special. And then we're also gonna pick up some food. What are we picking up? Did I put you on the spot? Pupusas, which is a Salvadorian dish, so I'm so excited. We're gonna have some yummy food.
And their gift is until a few months.
Yes, so stay tuned. I've talked about that on my main channel on a live. You're just gonna have to stay tuned and see what that surprise is. So let's get started with our day. We did go in before this intro, so I'll insert that clip right now. I'll say happy anniversary to my in-laws, but my mother-in-law was taking a shower. It's still too early for her. And yes, as Estrella's right, we're going to Walmart. So let's go. Hi, Jorge. Hello. Hello, hello.
Hello.
What is Feliz aniversario. Gracias, Lea.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Feliz aniversario.
Okay. Ven pa acá, Mama.
Ay, sorry. You got it, babe? Who's carrying something? The girls are carrying something. I'm carrying something. Gonna quickly go inside and decorate. Hello, hello. The girls ran inside. Delivery.
Wash your hands.
Ice cream cake that we got, we're gonna quickly put in the freezer because we don't want it to get defrosted. Okay, so we picked up these gold utensils, and then we picked up this garland. We also got a table cover that Jorge's gonna put. You want me to help you right now? And then my husband saw these. We're gonna put little balloon cake topper. We found a 4 and a 2. Originally I wanted a bigger one and put it like on the wall with the garland, but of course anytime you need a certain number, they're not there. At least that's my luck. And then gold plates. I know gold is for like 50 years, or I think it's 75. I'm not sure, but we're celebrating because 42 years is a big blessing. And then the other stuff that I need to get from Walmart. Gonna put the mantel on. Oh, thank you, Esme. And Esme is eating her pizza. We got the girls pizza because I had a coupon. It was free, so might as well use it up. And because they don't really like the pupusas, which is, look at them, you guys. Oh my goodness, let me get you a plate. Qué mocha. And then Jorge put the garland right now. It looks so cute. Of course I start filming and the lighting goes bad. I'll start filming right now again. Okay, and this is what we got. These are the pupusas. I'm gonna open the box right now, but just quickly showing you. These are 3 with chicharron with jalapeno. These are cheese with chicharron. And then my mother-in-law requested the plátano with the crema. She's getting ready right now, so she'll be here downstairs right now. And then
ready.
this is the ensalada fruta, which pretty much is a pineapple juice that they make, and they add like different fruits like apples, and it has pieces of fruit. This one's mine, and then my husband got one. And then these are the horchatas. They don't taste like a Mexican horchata. They taste more of like a cebada. ¿Cebada? ¿O cómo se dice?
Cebada.
It's really good, but it still has that like cinnamony flavor. Excuse you. So my mother-in-law wanted one to share with my father-in-law, and then this one's for my brother-in-law. This right here is the curtido. This is the one that I was mentioning on the live, that it has like cabbage and it's pickled. So this is the one that I mentioned in the live. This is the curtido. It's a pickled cabbage with carrots. It's very good, and it goes on top of the pupusas, and you add it on top, which I'll see you, but since it is cabbage makes you a little bit gassy. I'll show you right now. And then this is a salsita, the hot one, so I'll show you guys right now. We've taken them there many times and they don't like it, so I'm not gonna make them eat something, especially because it's so expensive. And it was nice that the Pizza Hut was free, huh?
Yes.
We had like the points, might as well. Pisha. Okay. Okay, and this is what they look like. This is Jorge's box, so he's helping me open it. This is what they look like. They're fried up, like pan fried. And this one has chicharrón and queso. This is right here, pupusas, mama.
Oh, those things.
And then these are the plátano machos, ¿verdad? And then with the crema, this is what my mother-in-law requested, like a dessert. It looks like pizza crust. You guys try mine if you want again. The last time we came here was a couple of years ago, huh? So we're just waiting for the reaction of my mother-in-law. Oh, is she coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Hello. Feliz aniversario. Qué guapa. Beautiful. Oh. She gets shy.
Right here's the
Mira, oh, las pupusas.
Feliz aniversario.
Oh, míralos. Matching.
Ya me los mandaron.
Tan suaves. ¿No quieres? Es nomás para un video. Hello.
Happy anniversary.
No, thank you, mi amor.
Ándale, para que comen.
¿Qué estás comiendo?
Pizza, tenía otro cupón para otro gratis. Ajá, so dije de una vez. Vamos a comer. Ajá, mira. El pastel está en el freezer. This is what the pupusas look like. So good.
This is the way I like it.
Yep.
It's a messy one.
I'm gonna show you guys my plate right now. Se siente como que está en el restaurante, dijo, ¿verdad?
Así es.
Yeah, she said she feels like she's at the restaurant, which is really nice.
Eso de cuenta que nos vimos a restaurar.
Chilosa la salsa.
Uh-oh.
Más mejor que ir al Golden Corral. No, que una enchilada.
La salsita. This is the drink. They call it ensalada de fruta, but like I said, it's pretty much like a pineapple juice with like pieces of fruit in the bottom. It has like the oranges and the apples. I don't know how they make it, but it's so good and so fresh. And then these are the pupusas. Mine are de queso con chicharrón, which is cheese with shredded pork. I'm gonna cut into it so I can show you what it looks like. I have the salsa and then the curtido, which is of cabbage. And then if the audio is weird, I'm so sorry, we have a fan on. It is a little bit humid here. But this is what we're having. Rico?
Sabroso. Rico, sabroso.
Rico.
¿Cómo están?
Feliz aniversario. 42 years. Una bendición muy grande.
42 years.
42 years being married.
That's your food.
Yeah. You want some?
No.
Okay. This is a little piece that's cut. It has the piece of the chicharrón. That salsa is so hot. And there's cheese in there somewhere, but it's really, really good.
Sí, ya se me fue.
Yeah. We'll see how it goes later with that cabbage because
Oh, no.
you know what cabbage does to people.
Oh.
Five.
He said he came over for their anniversary. Say hi, Dad. Dad, say hi. Oh, I love it. Okay, she already started eating it, but
How many of them are like
her favorite, ¿verdad? ¿También a ti te gusta, Pancho?
Yeah.
Favorite.
Me encanta.
Love
Me
it.
encanta la banana negra.
Are you shy to be on camera, Dad?
¿Está quemada?
No.
Bueno, aquí estamos.
So my dad just left. I don't really record it. It's so funny though.
Oh, hey guys.
But he was trying to look for shoes for Estrella. Okay.
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
2020, 42 años.
Happy anniversary.
You're just so
Right here.
crazy.
42.
Thank you for saying you're cringy.
Mírala, es
Your next.
Okay, las niñas. And then when your cousins come, we need them too. Go take your girls. Con Nana and Tata.
The picture?
Hola. Meow.
Aquí siéntalas, mira. Aquí siéntalas. Siéntate aquí. Go with mama. Nana. Wait. Sit down. No,
Hola, hola, hola. It's yummy. It's like from the inside. Chocolate with vanilla. It's pretty good.
Happy anniversary to
Oh.
Dole la cabecita. Happy anniversary to Nana and Tata. Oh no,
You
mama.
want to say happy anniversary? No, está comiendo. Liana, you want to say happy anniversary? She said no. She said no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Wait.
Okay, there you go.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Tata and Nana.
Ahí, Ariana, hola. Mechi, ahí, hola, hola. Y el Panky pues ya se salió para afuera.
Hola otra vez.
Hola otra vez.
Ya no estamos comiendo.
Ándale, special day, dice la Ariana.
Cada año.
Por la foto.
La foto no miente. ¿Sí se bañó?
Ay, Jorge.
Happy anniversary.
1, 2, 3. Feliz aniversario. Ay, Jorge.
All right, thank you.
Todo lo